Cheese and bread. Look at the price on that, mate. Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. It's your boy Busy Bee Science, dealing with retro tech, retro early 80s, 90s tech from making jungle back in the day. For those of you who don't know, my name is Busy Bee Science. I am one of the pioneers of early jungle hardcore, blah blah blah. Right, so anyway guys, without further ado, let's get into it. So we were talking about modules the other day, and I wanted to just you know, touch base with you guys. You've left some really interesting comments, and just get back to some of you guys. Big up Thought, Exercise Mike, he said there's also a Korg 01R Rompler rack version, said, which I always called a Jack Smooth synth. Oh, okay, so is that what you would say Jack Smooth used back in the day? So it's Korg 01R rack. Ah, nice. Korg 01R W. Now this looks nice. I wonder if this is a 19-inch rack one. The sound module based on the 16 bits NEC V50 CPU managed 32 voice polyphony based on Korg A12 synthesis. Interesting, man. See, I'm not really too familiar with a lot of these modules, but I'm pretty sure they've got the sounds from, a lot of them have got the sounds from way back when, because these are, you know, modules from that generation. And you know, I do remember Monroe Studios had a lot of tech. Comment down below if you know a studio from way back when that had a lot of tech back in the day. These are going for quite a bit of dough, looking at these, and I'm pretty sure that there's some ROMs here and stuff like that as well. What we got, a rack module EPROMs. Okay, cool. Yeah, these ones are fetching quite a packet, man. Also the JV 1080, you got the JV 2080. It says here, Watchtech says, dude, you're basically reading my shopping list, lol. I get the Virus Rack XL a few weeks back, and a JD 2080 is on its way. I was looking for Elysis Quadraverb. That's another thing, you just remind me, mate. We're going to have to do a video. On the next video, we're going to have to talk about monitors back in the day, studio monitors, because there were some popular monitors back then, and I wanted to touch base on some of that as well. Let's have a look. Elysis Quadraverb. That's definitely a classic effects unit. I remember those. They were decent, man. Look at these. I think we touched base similar on that the other day. And there was a Quadraverb. There was a Multiverb. I've got a couple of effects units. I've got BBE Sonic Maximizer. I'm not doing with anything with at the moment. And I've also got an Elysis, no, a Digitech TSR 12. I'm sitting there not doing a lot. What's this here? This looks interesting. Alto. So you got like a Alpha Verb digital effects module, rebadged Elysis Nano Verb. Oh yeah, I remember that. Elysis Nano Verb. That rings a bell from back in the day. We've also got to talk about drum machines, man. There's some classic drum machines out there as well, guys, that you definitely want to get your hands on. All right, let's have a look. Moving on, because this is about your comments, really. Let's have a look. BC Rider. I'm picking up the JV 1080 today. Haha, big up. Dope. I just saw this. Found it 200 quid mint condition. Well done, mate. Let's have a look. Someone else there. Personally, I think the 1080 sounds slightly fatter than the 2080. Busy giving the Ulterior Juno props instead of the Roland Cloud version. Yeah, that's interesting, mate. Is it good, or what do you know? What's it like, man? Let us know, man. Jackie Brown says, what if your daughter wants a gold chain? Lol. I'm no technician, but appreciate you teaching the new generations the same way. Big up. Yeah, no, she don't wear gold chains, mate, so that's all good. I've got a JD800, bought it from Turkey about a year after they were first released. Best for pads and atmospheric stuff. Yeah, mate, it's definitely a killer synth, man, there's no doubt. Basil and Boy, big up Basil and Boy, check out his channel. It says, in my old school arsenal I have the Roland Juno Alpha 2. You can't forget that. Hoover's Mentasm. I think I know that one, you know. That is the, I think that's the one that I had as well back in the day. It's like the little one of the lot, and it's more kind of digital looking. Yep, that's exactly the cheese and bread. Look at the price on that, mate. Oh my god, no way. No, come on. I don't believe that. How much did you pay for it, Basil Boy? I wonder, comment down below, let us know. Flipping hell. Check this out. Okay, look, there you go. That's more like it. I mean, it's still a lot of money. Wow, look at this. Flipping, some of these old Rolands, they go for bucks, man. It's all about the Roland clad right now, I'm telling you. And, you know, I'm not just trying to push that. I had one of these as well. These flipping hell. No, it didn't have that digital display in it. Which one is this? These freaking things are going for big bucks, man. Damn. Anyway, Roland Alpha Juno. What else we got? We've got the Roland D5, which needs a second run. Let's have a look at that. What's that? Roland D5. I actually done some videos on the Roland Clad, a demo on all that. What the hell is all this? Okay, D5. I don't know what that is. Oh man, look at this. That looks interesting, man. That looks kind of mad. Alright, so Roland... Hey, look, DO5 Stand Boutique. I'm not sure what that is. Boutique for the Roland D5. D50. What's that other one? The little one that came out. It was the Roland DX7, was it? Was it the DX7? DX7. Roland. Yamaha DX7. This is an old retro synth here, right? Don't forget that one. There was a little one. It used to have a like that Doug Glazy bass line on it. I think it was another one. It was it DX Yamaha DX100 or something? It's been years since I looked at some of this stuff. I'll research that one. I'll come back to you guys. There was that one that's got that Doug Glazy bass line on it. No, not that one. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's coming back to me now. It's coming back to me. I'm just going to be flying these ones off the top of my head. All right, a couple of drum machines, right? We got Roland R8. Who remembers that one? Sick drum machine. Look at the... Oh, hang on. Look at that. That's got to be not working. Yeah, it's not got to be not working. Boy, man, this looks like it's been tumbled down the stairs. Look at the flipping sand on that, mate. That's been gigged by the beach, man. Damn. Oh, look, he's got the box as well, just to keep it like in its preserved condition. Damn. What's wrong with it anyway? Let's say the sad story. R.I.P. Roland R8. Roland R8 human drum machine, rhythm composer. Condition is parts are not working. It's just saying condition not working. That would, you need to be a scientist to fix that one there, man. Sorry. I don't think I'll have any luck trying to fix that. They're too fiddly. I don't get on with the fiddly parts. Parts only. Look at that, man. Roland R8. Look at that. Here you go. What's this? This is an R8 jazz card. Okay, so that's jazz beats. Wow, these things fetch a pack. Obviously, you got the R8. You got the flipping 909 Roland 909 drum machine. Again, man, a lot of this stuff is simulated. What I would recommend as well, if you want to get some of these retro sounds like the drums and all that, is your best bet for that, yeah, is to get the kits online, sample them up, chuck them into your sampler. And to be honest, you don't get the same feel, but you do get the sounds of the drum machine. Nice mug there, guys. And you get that same kind of nostalgia feel, because I did a lot of that with my brain kits when I was loading the archiving the songs, and I loaded them back up. I was just getting the Roland drum kits and the Elise's drum kits, sampling them off the internet, and I was just replicating them, like put them into key groups, and I was using them on the sampler, and they was working a treat, man. So you can put those on constant pitch. Also, I can't remember the setting in the sampler. It allows you just to play them, you know, one shot and all that. You can play the sample so that they literally just play through when you play them. Yeah, so the drum machines are pretty cool. You had the Elise's HR16, another classic drum machine. I've got one of these. I did a video on one of those. What they're like. Look, it's going quite cheap for what it is. If you want to mess about with an old retro drum machine, build tunes how it was. Oh, what? My guy, look. You got one guy selling it 75 quid there. Another guy selling it for £400. Condition is used. Doesn't come with original power supply. Alternative provided. Now, that's fine as long as the thing doesn't buzz. Because if you use the wrong power supply, you know, certain gear will buzz, you know, make a little like a little mains hum noise, because it's where the power's not right or whatever. But yeah, that is a good one. What else we got? We're running over time now, I think, to be fair, guys. You know what? Comment down below if you know any drum machines. I remember the first ever drum machine that I wanted was the Boss. Boss done some good drum machines. Right, this drum machine here was the Boss Dr. Rhythm. And there was the first ever Boss Dr. Rhythm one they had. I think it was this one. This doesn't look like it, though. I don't know if it's like a funky picture on this one, but let me see if I can find another one. It might actually be that one, you know. I think it was this one. This, you know what, I might have to get one of these one day, you know, because I remember when I was at school, I used to walk past this. Oh, they're going for bucks. I used to walk past this drum machine in Holiday Music near where I live, right? There was a shop called Holiday Music. And I used to stare at that drum machine for at least 5 minutes a day walking past. I used to want one of those. And they were like, look, this is the same price it was back in the day, $150. And I asked my dad, I said, Dad, can you get me that drum machine? He was like, how much it, $150? And he was like, boy, I ain't got the money for that, boy. And I always wanted one of them drum machines. And I reckon if I'd have got that drum machine, right, when I was a kid, in my prime, clear head, I think I would have programmed the crap out of that drum machine for years. We're talking hip hop, everything. I was into hip hop back then, so who knows? But anyway, wicked drum machine. You know what I mean? For what it was back in the day, I wouldn't mind getting my hands on one of them cheap. I'm going to probably keep my eye to the ground, my ear to the ground for that. Look at that, parts only. Doesn't work, man. But it doesn't look exactly the way I remembered it. I swear it was Boss Dr. Rhythm. Let me have a look at something. It's got to be that. It actually looks different now. I remember these as well. These were really cool. These were good drum machines. Look at that one. 45 pounds. If you got the space, then why not? You know what I mean? If you ain't got the space, then you're just hoarding, and you know the deal. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Big up All Massive and crew. Peace out.